Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will learn how to set up our database in Django so that we could actually store some data into it. So the first thing which I would like to mention is that Django comes with a by default database, which is the SQLite database. So SQLite database is one sort of database which you could use to store your data. So in order to check which type of database Django uses, what you could do is that you could simply go to settings.py file, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find the database right over here. So as you could see, it says databases equals, and this database is right here, the SQLite 3 database in Django. So we will be using the SQLite database itself, but if you want to change it, what you need to do is that you simply need to go here and change the by default database by making some changes over here in this code right here. But it will unnecessarily make things more complex, so we will be working with the SQLite itself. So the next thing which you need to do is that you need to understand how to actually make migrations. So if you open up the terminal, right now the server is running, so I am going to stop the server for the moment. And what happens is that you might see this error which says you might have, or you have 13 unapplied migrations, your project may not work properly. So what you need to do is that you actually need to apply migrations to get rid of this error right here. So even before you create any database, what you need to do is that you need to apply migrations. So what you need to do is that you need to type in python manage.py migrate and hit enter. And this is actually going to go ahead and apply the migrations for you. So it is going to take a while, and it's going to apply all the migrations, so that when now you go ahead and you type in python manage.py to basically run the server, it is not going to give you any warning. So if you run this now, as you could see, it says that the system check identified no issues. That means we no longer have migration issues in our app. So what migrations are basically when you go ahead and create a database, or you make some changes to the database, you need to actually go ahead and apply migrations. So that is the basic rule of creating databases in Django, and this is the first thing which you need to do if you are creating a new project. So after this lecture, in the next lecture, we will be learning how to create the structure of your database. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.